In a major crackdown, the Commissioner's Task Force Golconda team along with Kulsumpura Police busted an illegal pickle manufacturing unit at Venkatesh Nagar in Jiyaguda. During the operation, police apprehended K. Ravinder, a 62-year-old man who was allegedly producing pickles under unhygienic conditions without any valid license. Authorities seized a massive quantity of spurious and unhygienic products from the premises. They seized items included 15 drums of red chilli pickle weighing 2,400 kilograms, 2 drums of amla pickle weighing 320 kilograms, 9 drums of tomato water weighing 1,440 kilograms, 1 drum of tomato pickle weighing 160 kilograms, 1 drum of lemon pickle weighing 160 kilograms, 2 drums of dal lemon weighing 320 kilograms and 26 drums of preserved mango and lemon with rock salt weighing 4,160 kilograms. The total value of the seized property is estimated at 3 lakh rupees. According to officials, the accused was manufacturing and distributing pickles using low quality and stale raw materials in highly unhygienic conditions. The products were reportedly supplied illegally to restaurants and hotels, posing serious health risks to consumers. Police further revealed that the accused was engaged in illegal manufacturing of various types of pickles, including red chilli, amla, tomato, and lemon varieties. Additionally, stale mangoes and lemons were being preserved using rock salt, commonly used in pickle preparation, without any valid license. Officials warned that consumption of such unhygienic pickles could lead to serious health issues. A case has been registered against the accused under crime number 90/2026 at Kulsumpura Police Station under Clause 1, Section 318, 274 and 275 of the BNS, and further investigation is underway.